Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Kumar and today I will discuss about what is a Dynatrace. Basically as per the kind of description, I have made some description and also find it from the Google. So this is the kind of thing that the Dynatrace software intelligence monitoring platform that simplifies enterprise cloud complexity and accelerates digital transformation. The word is that kind of complex thing. So software intelligence, monitoring platform, and enterprise complexity acceleration. So this is the kind of thing that monitors your network, monitors your complex server infrastructures very efficiently. Some of things that the innovate faster and operate more efficiently and drive better business outcomes with observability, automation, and application security in one platform. So this is the things of Dynatrace. That's why it is paid application and paid software tool for users. And yeah, so let's get back to the kind of website. So you will see more things in detail. So yeah, let me show you something. Here, if you come to the point, this is the thing. We have a sort of dashboards related things and how you can just find out the website over here and how it looks like. So yeah, it's refreshing now. Just a moment. Yeah. Once you come to the web platform, you will see look like this. I will show in the next video how you can create the a free trial account and how you can use it and how you can learn to apply and install any basic one agent on Linux machines and Windows machines, and how you can install SQL Server for database management, and how you can install some more stuffs to perform some activities on Dynatrace. This is the things you will be able to perform in my upcoming videos, and yeah. Basically, if I just provide some overview of this platform, so you can see. So once you come to the favorites, means this is the kind of selected things from these point of views. So dashboard, you will able to find out your own dashboard. You will able to create your own dashboard. I will also provide you the basic information to how to create dashboard. So you will able to manage this just like this. Once you click any of them, you will able to find out the kind of detailed knowledge and detailed information about particular things. So yeah, this is the kind of thing that needs to be performed and needs to be created. This is the a kind of template right now. Yeah. So a deploy Dynatrace means we can start installation Dynatrace on any of servers and infrastructure. Problems means if you will provide a threshold information to the Dynatrace, so it will inform you through the problems, and it will show you whether how many of kind of infrastructure machines are getting infected, getting having problems related to hardware, software, and all that. So yeah, these are the major things that we usually perform in every machines, and we frequently come to these points because dashboard, through dashboard we will identify the things whether maintenance related and all that. Filter, type deploy agent message if we get something. This is the kind of website, and yeah. So deploy Dynatrace, observe and explore. So yeah, this is the kind of thing. The dashboard is already, I just explained, data explorer, metrics, logs, and problems. It will show you one by one. I will show you one by one to you. And infrastructure, that we will able to manage these things from the Dynatrace. These things are the major things that we able to manage, and we will able to just find out how we can install, how we can just do it in my future videos. So currently I'm just reviewing you how you can see and how it look likes. And application security, microservices. So once you come to the microservices, so database and all that. So once you install any application, it's just like SQL or Tomcat, Apache, something, so you will able to understand how database are managing over here. So yeah. And digital experience means you can also manage, or you can also maintain your mobile health through installing applications on mobile setup. Yeah, it is also kind of benefit from Dynatrace. And this is the manage means you can able to set some credentials vault. You will able to see the online address hub. You will able to see the deployment status. You will able to, you know, once you click to settings, you will see lot of settings over here to if you are having some problems on your systems, on your servers, so you just need to perform some notification alerts, so you will get notification on your mobile. So it is also a good feature that we can see, and we will see in next video. And yeah, so these are the basic things I just reviewed you, and how you can just create the account. I will show you next video, so stay tuned. Thank you.